Hello, my name is Riley Gardner, and this is my video presentation project. Due to the current situation in the world, current and future educators are searching for new ways to integrate technology into daily classroom time. Because of this, educators are constantly searching for needed apps that could integrate the classroom. When starting to search for an app, the following criterion was used. The app is easy to use and would benefit the student's learning needs. The app that fit this criterion was the app Epic. Epic is not only user-friendly and free to educators, but is also a huge online library that has various options for students to practice reading. But why Epic? On Epic, students have access to everything. 40,000 plus hand-picked books, audiobooks, and videos. Epic is tailored to each child's individual needs by personal suggestions based on interests and reading level. Epic is teacher approved. Millions of educators have already signed up for Epic. Epic is a great resource for children ages 4 and up. As stated by Schwartz from KQED, Epic is essentially a huge ebook library. Epic has a collection of thousands of books that include everything from picture books to graphic novels and even junior novels. This shows that Epic can be a valuable resource in many classrooms of many different age groups. Epic also has many beneficial tools for all learners. Epic offers read aloud, shared reading, and independent reading. Erica from Perkins School for the Blind e-learning stated that the Read to Me feature allows students that are visual readers to the opportunity to follow along with the highlighted text as it reads. Also, the audiobook feature is easily accessible for blind and visually impaired students. This shows that Epic is a beneficial tool for all students and all students' learning needs. Epic is also user-friendly and easy to navigate. As Vanderboord from commonsense.org explained, under the How Can I Teach with This tool, on Epic, teachers have the option to assign books and check students' progress through the dashboard. So while the teachers are evaluating students' reading and comprehension skills, the students see Epic as a fun, interactive storytelling activity. Although Epic has over 40,000 books, the areas of interest and search fields can help narrow down book selections. Vanderboord also talked about the quiz feature. The quizzes that are built into the books only have a few multiple choice questions, and it is a fairly surface level assessment tool. But teachers have the option of making their own quizzes. This allows teachers the ability to test their students' reading comprehension based on questions that they make. Epic is a leading digital reading platform built on a collection of 40,000 plus popular high-quality books from 250 plus of the world's best publishers that safely fuel curiosity and reading confidence for kids 12 and under. In conclusion, Epic is a needed app that can integrate any classroom. Epic has many, many books to choose from and is an interactive and fun way for children to learn. Epic can be used in many different ways and in many different classrooms. Epic can be used in many different ways, such as the Read to Me and audiobook, and is easy for teachers and children to navigate through and use. That is why I chose Epic as my video presentation project idea.